Welcome to National Roof Company's Roof Inspection Safety Training Session. Today we will cover essential safety practices and OSHA requirements to ensure that everyone remains safe while performing roof inspections, every time we climb a ladder or step onto a roof. Roof inspections are integral to our work and come with risks. Falls from ladders and roofs account for many injuries and fatalities in the construction industry. We protect ourselves and those we work with by always following safety protocols and using proper equipment. Now, let's take a closer look at the key points on the slide titled The Importance of Roof Inspection Safety. Roofing is one of the most hazardous jobs in the country. Falls from roofs and ladders are a leading cause of injuries. OSHA standards are designed to prevent accidents. Remember, safety protects you, your team, and your company. The points on the slide highlight roof safety best practices that are not just important, but essential. When required, use fall protection systems such as harnesses and anchors, or whenever their use will enhance your peace of mind, safety, and comfort. Avoid working near roof edges without barriers. Walk only on stable surfaces. Keep tools and materials secure to prevent tripping hazards. And when working with others, remember to communicate regularly. Preparation is key before accessing a roof. Start with the inspection of your ladder for any defects. Assess a roof's condition from the ground to identify potential hazards like weak spots or loose shingles. Always use appropriate personal protective equipment known as PPE, including a helmet and harness, and secure all your tools to prevent drops. Let's go over your pre-inspection safety checklist. Secure all tools and materials. Inspect ladders for any damage or wear. Walk around the structure to locate the safest point of access to the roof. Check roof conditions from the ground. Use appropriate PPE, helmet, non-slip footwear, long pants, and harness. And review weather conditions. Using a ladder safely is essential for roof inspections. Always use a ladder designed for the height and weight requirements of the job. Maintain a proper angle by following the 4-to-1 rule and ensure the ladder extends at least 3 feet above the landing point. As you climb, keep 3 points of contact at all times. Our diagram illustrates the 4-to-1 ladder setup rule. It shows the proper placement of a ladder with 4 feet out for every 12 feet of height. Okay, let's go over the points on this slide, which summarizes proper ladder placement. Use the right ladder for the job. Secure the top of the ladder to a gutter or anchor point to ensure its stability to the structure. Maintain a 4-to-1 ratio when setting the ladder. Ensure the ladder extends 3 feet above the landing point. Secure the ladder on a stable surface. Always maintain 3 points of contact when climbing. Adherence to OSHA standards is critical for maintaining safety on the job. If your work involves activities beyond pre-construction inspections, post-construction inspections, routine maintenance checks, or storm damage assessments, fall protection systems must be used when working at heights exceeding 6 feet. Proper training and compliance are mandatory to minimize risks and ensure safety. The standards for ladder and roof work are summarized as follows. Fall protection is required for work at heights greater than 6 feet, except for specific inspection tasks as previously reviewed in this presentation. Conduct a ladder inspection before every use to ensure stability and safety. Secure all tools and materials to prevent drops and falling objects. Training for all employees working at heights. Employers must provide appropriate fall protection systems, e.g., guardrails, harnesses, or safety nets. NRC's sales team members should limit their activities to visual roof inspections only. If roof work is required, management will assign a qualified employee with the proper training to perform the work. When tasks involve fall protection systems such as guardrails, harnesses, or safety nets, it is essential to request management's assistance to ensure proper handling and compliance with safety regulations. OSHA does not require fall protection for the types of inspections our sales team conducts, which are pre-construction and post-construction inspections. These inspections are limited to visual inspections and do not involve physical tasks like repairs. Pay close attention to the following points on the slide because they pertain specifically to inspections performed by our sales team members. Inspections before and after construction do not require fall protection. Activity must be limited to evaluation, investigation, or assessment only. A roof must be stable, with no apparent hazards like weak spots. Workers must stay at least 6 feet from the roof edge unless otherwise protected. And remember, management at NRC is always available to evaluate risks and ensure worker training. Let's do a final review with examples of the types of inspections our sales team members perform for homeowners, where fall protection is not required. NRC's sales team inspections are visual evaluations while avoiding hazardous areas. Remember, staying alert and working within safe distances is key to maintaining safety without the use of harnesses or barriers. Here are examples of roof inspections where fall protection is not required. Pre-construction inspections. Evaluating the roof's current condition to prepare for repairs or installation. Post-construction inspections. Checking for quality to ensure there are no defects in the work performed. Routine maintenance checks. Visual inspections for minor issues like loose shingles or gutter clogs. And lastly, storm damage assessments. Documenting damage from wind or hail to determine repair needs. In some cases, such as pre-construction or post-construction inspections, OSHA allows for the use of controlled access zones instead of conventional fall protection. Please note that management at NRC must approve the use of a CAZ. During a CAZ, zones are marked areas at least 6 feet from the roof edge and restricted to trained personnel only. Employers must assess the risks and document the justification for not using traditional fall protection. While CAZs offer flexibility, safety remains the priority, with clear barriers and signage to alert everyone on site. Let's review controlled access zones for roof inspection requirements. CAZs allow work without conventional fall protection in specific cases. It is used during pre-construction or post-construction inspections, and it is marked with barriers, warning lines, or signs at least 6 feet from the roof edge. NRC has designed its own roof inspection checklist. It was designed to ensure our roof inspectors get all the information they need to file a successful claim. Its use is mandatory for all roof inspections performed for NRC. The roof inspection checklist is available in AccuLinks for easy access. Paper copies are also available at our main office. If you prefer a printed copy, you can locate the checklist in the Checklists folder on Dropbox. Once printed, completed paper checklists can be photographed and uploaded directly into AccuLinks for record keeping. Hazard identification is a critical skill during roof inspections. Always be on the lookout for weak or damaged areas, slippery surfaces, and overhead power lines. If weather conditions aren't ideal, such as during rain or high winds, always delay the inspection to ensure your safety. Recognizing and avoiding hazards includes but is not limited to weak or damaged roof sections, weather conditions like wind, rain, snow, or ice, power lines and other overhead obstructions, slippery surfaces, moss, wet shingles, and during the summer and fall, hot temperatures can cause burn injuries. Despite our best efforts, emergencies can happen. A clear communication plan can save valuable time if an incident occurs. Report all accidents to management immediately. Be prepared for an emergency by always carrying a charged cell phone, have a first aid kit on site or in your vehicle, and be familiar with its contents. Know the location of the nearest hospital or urgent care. Establish a personal communication plan for emergencies, and immediately report any injury-related incidents to NRC's main office, along with completing the NRC Injuries or Accident Incident Report form. Safety is not just a policy, it's a mindset. By following the protocols we've discussed today and staying vigilant, we can protect ourselves, our coworkers, and our company. Thank you for your commitment to safety. Safety is everyone's responsibility, therefore. Follow safety protocols every time. Stay aware of your surroundings. Use proper equipment and tools. and communicate concerns or hazards immediately. Want to learn more? NRC recommends you visit the OSHA standards. The links are provided for the Fall Protection Standard and the Ladder Safety Standard. NRC hopes you not only enjoy this presentation, but also gain valuable safety insights. If you have any questions, let us know.